Hello everyone, welcome to M365 Professional Channel. Setting up your Microsoft Teams account is a simple process that allows you to get started with one of the most powerful collaboration tools available. Whether you're using Teams for personal or business purposes, the setup process is quick and straightforward. Below is a step-by-step guide to help you set up your Microsoft Teams account and get started on the platform. Sign up for Microsoft Teams. To begin using Microsoft Teams, you'll need a Microsoft account. If your organization already uses Microsoft 365, you may already have access to Teams through your company's subscription. If not, you can easily sign up for a free personal or business account. For personal use, go to Microsoft Teams website and click Sign Up for free. Sign in using your Microsoft account, e.g., Outlook, Hotmail, etc. If you don't have one, you can create a new account for free. Once signed in, follow the prompts to set up Teams on your desktop or mobile device. For business use, to use Teams with your organization, you'll need a Microsoft 365 subscription, either a trial or a paid plan. Your organization's IT administrator may send you an invitation to join the team. If you're the admin, you can create a business account through the Microsoft 365 Admin Center and assign users to your Teams environment. 2. Download and install Microsoft Teams after signing up. You'll need to download the Teams app on your device. Microsoft Teams is available for desktop, Windows, Mac, mobile iOS, Android, and web through a browser. On desktop, go to the Microsoft Teams download page. Choose the version suitable for your operating system, Windows or macOS, and click Download. Once the file is downloaded, open it to start the installation process and follow the on-screen instructions. On mobile, for iPhone or iPad, go to the App Store. For Android devices, go to the Google Play Store. Search for Microsoft Teams and tap Install. On web, alternatively, you can use Teams directly in your browser by going to the Microsoft Teams website, while the app is more feature-rich. The web version works well for basic use cases like chatting, attending meetings, and sharing files. 3. Sign into Microsoft Teams once you've installed the app. Open it and sign in with your Microsoft account. Personal account. Use the email and password associated with your personal Microsoft account, e.g., Outlook, Hotmail, or Microsoft 365 business account if you're using Teams for work. Sign in with the email address provided by your organization. This might be your company's domain, e.g., you@company.com. 4. Set up your Teams profile after signing in. Teams will prompt you to set up your profile. This step is important as it allows others to identify you and facilitates personalized communication. Add a profile picture. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Change Picture. Upload a photo to make your profile more recognizable. Update your display name and contact information. Ensure your name and contact details are correct, especially if you're setting up Teams for business purposes. Set a status message. This feature helps inform others of your availability, e.g., in a meeting, out for lunch, etc. Teams will automatically change your status based on your calendar, but you can update it manually at any time. 5. Create or join a team. Microsoft Teams is organized around teams and channels. Teams are groups of people who work together, and channels are specific topics within a team where conversations happen. To create a team, in the Teams app, click on the Teams icon in the left sidebar. Select Join or Create a Team at the bottom of the screen. Click on Create a Team and choose whether you want a team from scratch or based on an existing group, e.g., Microsoft 365 group. Select the privacy settings for your team, public or private, and give your team a name and description. To join a team, if someone invites you to a team, you will receive an email or notification with a link to join. Alternatively, you can search for a team by clicking Join or Create a Team and entering the team's code or name. 6. Set up channels and organize conversations. Once your team is created, you can begin adding channels. Channels are used to organize discussions around specific topics, projects, or initiatives. To create a channel, go to the team where you want to create a new channel. Click on the ellipsis next to the team name and select Add Channel. Name your channel, choose its privacy setting standard or private, and click Add. Channels are ideal for keeping conversations organized and on topic. For instance, you can create a channel for marketing, project planning, or sales within your team. 7. Set up notifications. To stay updated on important conversations, it's essential to adjust your notification settings in Teams. Click on your profile icon at the top right and select Settings. In the Notifications section, choose how you want to be notified for different activities, such as mentions, replies, or missed calls. You can customize notifications for chats, teams, and meetings to ensure you don't miss anything important. 8. Start chatting and collaborating with your account set up. You're ready to start using Microsoft Teams to communicate and collaborate with your colleagues, friends, or clients. Start a chat. From the Chat tab, click the New Chat button and type the name of the person or group you want to message. Send files and media. You can send files, images, or even emojis directly within chats. Set up video or audio calls. Click on the video camera or phone icon at the top of a chat or team to start a meeting. Integrate other Microsoft 365 apps. One of the biggest advantages of Microsoft Teams is its integration with other Microsoft 365 apps like Outlook, OneNote, Word, and PowerPoint. You can easily share files from these apps, collaborate on documents, and track tasks using Planner. Use file sharing to upload and share documents directly in chats or channels. Use Planner to create tasks and manage projects directly within Teams. Use Outlook to schedule and join meetings, which sync directly with your team's calendar. Conclusion: setting up your Microsoft Teams account is just the beginning of leveraging the platform's full potential. With its ability to integrate with other Microsoft tools, enable seamless communication, and improve team collaboration, Teams is a must-have solution for both personal and business use. Whether you're chatting, scheduling meetings, sharing files, or collaborating on tasks, Teams helps you stay connected and productive. Start exploring all its features to unlock the full benefits for your team or organization.